Hello everyone, welcome to the first day of SMC's Quiz Fest. Here we begin with the Incredible India, the India quiz. Abhishek, Soumya and Partha being the quiz masters for this quiz, and here myself Rajibul Awal, who is proctoring this uh, is set in my channel. Thank you all for viewing, and if you are new to this channel, do subscribe the channel because in coming days I will be proctoring the other sets as well, uh, just after the prelims and after the finals. So without doing any further delay, we'll start. uh, Here's the prelims. Question 1. So in the question 1, who were they talking about? Ambedkar said the greatest man India produced in recent century was not Gandhi but Dash. So very learned person. Even Rabindranath Tagore said, if you want to know India, study Dash. And according to Subhash Chandra, Dash was the maker of modern India. So a nice way to start the quiz, taking the name of Swami Vivekananda. Moving on to the question number 2. I did this Bharat Ratna awardee who has an important day named in his honor. So this image was used deliberately, as the other uh, images that found on the internet is very famous uh, with a turban. So this is M. Vishweshwaraya, National Engineers Day, 15 September. So National Engineers Day and M. Vishweshwaraya is what we were looking for. Question number 3. Whose filmography? Uh, a very controversial actress as of now. This is Riya Chakravarti. Part of many memes as well, any controversy right now. Moving on to question number 4. So there were two. We wanted two events. Gandhi referred to by mixing his tea with salt. So what were the two events? So for tea and salt, since they are in bold, that were giveaway hints and the most iconic things. So for tea we have Boston Tea Party, and for salt we had Dandi March. So there were ample amount of hint in the question. Moving on to question number 5. So easy one. Google the adult celebrating whose 100th birth anniversary. Uh, he also shared his name with an Indian sitcom. Probably Sarabhai versus Sarabhai is what they were looking for, but the answer is the 100th birth anniversary of Vikram Sarabhai. So it was a giveaway. Moving on to question number 6. So so these are common location of some remaining structures. So the most important and the obvious one was cropped. So we were looking for structure. These are basically the Ashok pillars. So moving on to the next question. The obvious one, Sarnath, was deleted. Fill in the blanks or name the series. So we are looking for a series. This is a Quora review of a recent Ullu web series, which is based on a stock exchange major scam back in 90s. This one was a easy one. Talked about gamble, talked about share market. So those were some giveaway hints as they were in bold. So this is the Dalal Street, the bowl of Dalal Street. Question number 8. Uh, this question was a easy one. Identify the dish. Uh, so often used as mess. So if you just focus in the mess and a dish, it would be raita. It's often used as mere काम पे raita फैला दिया, like that. So we were looking for raita. Question number 9. So who was believed to have 99 brothers, of which he was the youngest? So there is one temple in South India. The site is believed to be a place where evil ones shared the weapons among themselves before the epic battle. So this is Shakuni, not Dushasan if you wrote Dushasan. So Shakuni is what we are looking for. Question number 10. X and Y, both having the same first name, were batchmates and hostel mates during their college days. So X went on to become one of the pioneers of the modern Indian stand-up comedy. Y joined a startup which would later become India's most famous online digital entertainment channel. X is also famous for caricature of Dash. So give me X and Y. So both having same first name, stand-up comedy startup is what were in bold, and this is Vishwa Kalyan Rath and Vishwapati Sarkar. So common one being Vishwa. So this is what we were looking for. Moving on to question number 11. So due to this particular chat, uh, there was one slang that got started, and since 2018 and slang, and was also used in a song as well. So what does started? This is Biz Lasagna. Moving on to question number 12. So we are looking for the connection. We had Mithun, we had clouded leopard, we had red panda, we had Shanghai, we had rhino. So this question was almost a giveaway. These were, and if you count them, then also the state animals of the northeast state what we were looking for. Even if you have not given the names of the animal, that's fine as well. Only state animals of the northeastern state what we were looking for. Question number 13. Black Friday company shootout at Wadala. Once upon a time in Mumbai. D-Day Hasina Parker. Connect all this movie to a single person. So connection was what we were looking for, a person. And this one was one easy question. If you have watched any of the single film, that would have been very easy for you. This is all the movie based on the life of Dawood Ibrahim. Basically, Dawood Ibrahim would fetch you full points, as we are looking for only person. Question number 14. So, a lake in Uttarakhand, when the ice melts during summer, remains the tragedies from the different periods in history can be seen below the lake. Hence, the lake is also called Dash Lake. So name the lake or what it is commonly called. So remains of tragedies is a big hint, as it was in bold as well, if you can see. So this is Rupkund Lake or the skeleton lake. Remains of the human skeleton belong to many different time period can be found below the lake. So skeleton lake is good enough, Rupkund Lake is good enough. Moving on to the next question, question number 5. Humble beginning of which empire? If you can see, a particular hawker just started his journey from here. This is none other than Mahashandi Hatti, MDH. One of my favorite question from the set. Question number 16. Uh, uh, So we are looking for X and Y that are considered as the most celebrated leader and scientist respectively. So XY is an Indian cricketer. So he is a right-handed opening batsman. He played in the Indian Premier League for CSK. About his unusual name, he said, "My grandfather was a scientist. He wrote a letter to Y, the scientist, and even got a reply from him. My mother was a physics graduate and she teaches physics in one of the schools. So I am Y, and X is my father's name." So this is how this cricketer got its name. He got his name. So combining X and Y. this cricketer get his name. So either give X and Y or XY is good enough. This is Napoleon Einstein from Napoleon and Albert Einstein. Moving on to question number 17. We are looking for the blanks. So dash thali. We are looking for the name of the thali. So this thali is a gigantic one, is a giveaway hint, and is named so owing to its huge size, aptly named after something which created a stir and sensation back in 2015. So the entire thali costs around 1500. So you can assume how much big it would be, and is enough for 5 or 6 people. Uh, name of the thali is what we are looking for. In the House of Paratha at JM Road, Shivaji Nagar, Pune. It is all vegetarian eatery. So the answer is Bahubali Thali. Moving on to question number 18. So again another blank. RBI is based on Dash Vision. Dash brought down the working hour from 14 to 8 hours. It was strong supporter of uniform civil code. Even resigned from the cabinet when Parliament stalled this bill. The autobiography is a standard textbook for Columbia University. So the last one is a giveaway hint. So Columbia University was a giveaway hint. This is Bhimrao Ambedkar, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Question number 19. Identify the 7-time national steeplechase champion. Bollywood Connect was also there, and a tribute question to the legend who left us in 2020. This is Pan Singh Tomar. Question number 20. This phrase is commonly used in political parties during Lok Sabha election for their opposing parties. It was first used by Nizamuddin Aulia to the Emperor Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq when the latter planned to kill the saint after completing his journey after reaching his capital. The king never reached the capital as he died in the outskirts due to an untimely accident. The opposite of this phrase was based on Netaji during the freedom struggle. Which phrase are we looking for? So Netaji used a phrase in the freedom struggle, the opposite of what it was used or is used for their opposing parties. So we were looking for a phrase. Netaji was a giveaway hint. So the answer is Dilli abhi dur hai, या दिल्ली दूर है. दिल्ली Netaji's phrase was Dilli dur nahi. Thank you for watching the full video, and do subscribe the channel, and all the best for the upcoming quizzes, and all the best for the finals of this quiz. Thank you.